Most deserts of the world used to be grasslands or forests, but many of them used to be grasslands, and they could become grasslands again. But for now, a desert, by definition, is this place where there's sand and or maybe bare dirt and very few plants. So there needs to be a way to restore the grassland. There needs to be a way to restore the plant matter. Because if we did that, it would have many benefits. Benefits to wildlife, benefits to global warming, in that if you have plant cover, it tends to cool down the temperatures. So here's a quote from Bill Mollison, the founder or one of the founders of permaculture. He says, "The humid environment of the desert exists in the rumen of an animal. You can't have soil in the desert without having animals." In other words, the desert, at least for now, is not humid. The desert, at least for now, is a dry place. So if we want the desert to have a humid environment, then that humid environment exists in the rumen, or the stomach, of an animal. My friend Roger Savory taught me that fungi need a place that's warm, wet, and dark. That describes the rumen of an animal. It's warm, it's wet, it's dark. It's a place where fungi can live. Fungi is a whole kingdom. There's a plant kingdom, the animal kingdom, the fungi kingdom, and there's bacteria and other things. But fungi is a whole kingdom. Fungi is not going to exist in the desert because you have UV rays are going to kill, UV rays are going to kill fungi and bacteria. Both fungi and bacteria and the protozoa and the nematodes that feed off of the fungi and the bacteria, they need a place that is free from UV light. And that is going to occur when you have an animal that has a rumen and it's pooping out its poop. That poop is rich with microorganisms, and those microorganisms are going to provide the beginning of an entire food web, both below ground and above ground. So, according to Bill Mollison and many others, you can't have soil in the desert without having animals. Don't we want soil in the desert? If we had soil in the desert, it wouldn't be a desert, it would be a grassland, because if you want a grassland, you need the soil that is able to grow the plants that make it a grassland. So, that's all. Thanks.